Hi there, this is John Drew here from Elevated Planet. Today I'm going to read a message to you that came from Gaia Mother Earth during a channeling that Jolé and I did on Friday the 10th of January. The message was quite deep and profound and relatively long, so I didn't include this fully on the show that we did on Sunday, but I did say that I would share it with everybody on an audio message, and so here it is. We did the journey to the center of the earth through the gift of channeling with Jolé. She found herself sitting in the heart of Mother Earth. There were not many people there. It's empty. Not many people visit Gaia Mother Earth at this point in time. This has not always been the case. Mother Earth's message to humanity was as follows. Dive deep into the heart. Raise the vibration through the breath. People don't realize how important the breath is to move you from one state to the next. It is how you move through your vibrations, breathing whilst active, breathing life into what you are doing. Oxygen mixed with electricity is the key. The electricity comes from the heart, so it is all a heart-based energy. You have to get people to move into their heart. It is not supposed to be a struggle. It should be by following your joy. Do what you love. Giving and being of service, letting go of selfishness, purposefully seeking out relationships. Division and separation are the issue for humanity. Your job, as in Elevated Planet, is to bring people together with their families and communities. You see how everyone is being pushed into wars. Instead, go outside. It is so simple. Meet me. Trees, oceans, mountains, forests, expanses of land. This is where I communicate with you and heal you. Explain to the people the power that I possess to heal them if they just come outside and be a part of me on a regular basis. I am the key to wellness. I am the key to prosperity and connectivity. Jolé was shown the Muslim prayer position as a powerful means of connecting with Gaia Mother Earth. It is not about praying, it's a gesture, but it's the connectivity that is the key. At times when you are confused and need help, use this to put your crown on the earth. I will heal you. Jolé received a vision of a liquid stress pouring into Mother Earth. Lay down on me. Let me take you into my bosom. We heal by wanting to love Gaia Mother Earth. If you are alive, Spirit is talking to you, but many people have veils. It is not the job of Elevated Planet to remove those veils of the people. The people may be lost. Mother Earth explained, those who I have awakened, those who are curious, those who want to know, those who are aware. So although you may want to touch everyone, your people are the ones who are waking up and want to know. Going into your heart is like going into Mother Earth, so it's a heart-based meditation. Send your love down to me. Just let me bring you into my bosom and heal you and love you. I want you to take them through this meditation and ask them to use it. Come down and receive my loving electricity and sit in this heart of mine and heal. It is very simple. Breathe air. Drink water, hang out with me, visit me, plant trees. You are making things too complicated. The message to Jolé was, take them through their own bodies, their own architecture in aligning them with me. You need to stop asking me what to do. You need to flow with the universe. The best thing I can tell you is to come down here. I can give you the laws, align them with rhythm, with transmutation, with circadian rhythm, and the Schumann's resonance. Get the mind, body, and spirit back into alignment with nature. That is the best trip that they could take. That is the best way for them to understand the world of unspeakable beauty. Sitting inside of an electronic grid is damaging. You must express to your people. You must go outside and create and connect with me. The vastness of the cosmos is all around you. You put your feet on me and you stand in the vastness of the cosmos and me at the same time. And all of these messages and ideas will come to you. Put your hands in the dirt and you plant things. When you touch me, your chakras open and I'm pulling out the toxins. When you run in the dirt and the mud and the sand, I'm pulling out toxins. When you go in the water, I'm purifying you. When you go outside in the sun, I'm burning the bacteria and the viruses away. When you run, I'm working out your emotional issues. It's been me all along. You don't connect with me anymore, and I'm asking you to connect. Spend more time outdoors than indoors. But you're not hearing me. You can't do that because you've got a job. But take your things and sit in the sun. There is no divine complicated idea when infinity is simple. It's a loop, it's a routine. It just expands in the same direction, but it never stops. That routine of moving in that direction, and it just gets bigger and bigger. Jolé explained that Mother Earth had shown her the golden mean and the infinity symbol. A specific path, a specific routine, a specific pattern, and that is what it's all about. Getting the people to align to that rhythm, that pattern. And once you do that, everything falls into place. So you want your people to understand the rhythm and the pattern of themselves and how they align with the world around them and get into alignment with Mother Nature. Regardless of the lies you've been told, there is still an energy that you can feel. You are me and I am you. And there is a great disconnect, and you must reconnect with me, with you taking yourself out into nature on a regular basis, and that is the answer. Get off the roads, off the trails, off the beaten path. Go somewhere wild. That's when you're connecting with me. The beach is a perfect place to connect with me. The grasslands are a perfect place to connect with me. Anything that is in its natural vibrational state is where you want to be, where there is some kind of alignment with me. The sequoias, Glastonbury Tor, Stonehenge. Also, animals help you get back into alignment. Don't look for a grand strategy, just visit me. Bring them down, take them through me, allow them to breathe through the process, and just take them on the journey through themselves and then through me, through my depths, and bring them into my heart and have them breathe and visualize themselves in Mother Nature, absorbing all of my vitamins and nutrients, all the sunlight and all the essence of the inner earth and my heart and my love, all that I have to give. Bring them to their heart and then bring them to their knees and make them put their head on the ground at some point. Do this on a regular basis. Swimming, running, you sit down and create. You were sick and now you feel well. It is all around you. Smile, breathe, and be nice to your fellow man, and create. There ends the message from Gaia Mother Earth for humanity, as recorded on the 10th of January 2025. This is John Drew and Jolé Gabrielle of Elevated Planet saying thank you for listening. If you want to be part of our community, send an email to me at johndrew@elevatedplanet.life or contact us through our website. elevatedplanet.life/contact gets you to our contact page. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.